Hello, today I will teach you how to play the second part of the song Himno a la Madre on the recorder. The first thing that you need to remember, the first thing is that the song starts right here. After the fine or fine, you start here in this mi, fa. And the rhythm is the same as the first part. Mi, fa, sol, 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 la, sol, sol, fa. Mi, fa, sol, do, re, do, si. Si, 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 la, do, si, la, sol, mi. Fa, mi, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now, let's stop here. As you can see, in here you have this new note, which is called mi bemol. Mi bemol, you play it like this. You put the fingers in si, la, sol, fa, mi, and you cover half of the whole of re, like this. This is mi bemol. It sounds like this. Sounds kind of dull or very sad, okay? And then you have this note, which is la bemol. But la bemol, I don't know if you noticed, but it is the same way as you play sol sostenido. Look, it's the same. I will show you. Look. Si, la, leave open sol, fa, mi. That is sol sostenido. It's the same thing here, mira. Si, la, leave open sol, fa, and mi. So the same note, just called differently. Okay? So I'm gonna perform the rhythm of this section. Do, mi, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, mi. Do, mi, sol, fa, sol, do, re, do, si. Si, 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 la, do, si, la, sol, mi. Fa, mi, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And that's it. The next re, you will not perform it. Not right now. One more thing that I forgot to tell you is that this mi bemol that I am signaling here is not mi bemol. I made a mistake when I wrote this. This note is re. O sea, you play it like this. Re. Close all the fingers. Si, la, sol, fa, mi, and re. So when you play this section, I would play it on the recorder right now. You would play do, mi, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, re instead of mi bemol. In here, you would play mi bemol, do, mi. ¿Verdad? Let me play it so that you can hear it. Notice that I play re instead of mi. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the entire second part, starting here. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. I mean, it's not very difficult. If you practice slow, then you will be able to play it correctly. Okay? Alright guys, so just to review again, this section in here is the one that is going to give you a little bit of trouble. Pay more attention to this section than to the other parts of the song. Practice it very slow. Do, mi bemol, sol, fa sostenido, okay? Alright guys, I hope that you have, this tutorial might help you play the song correctly. Goodbye.